Hi, second graders. Hope you are doing well today and everything. This is just a tiny video today because I want to explain to you the new reading unit that we're starting. Last week, you and I read poems together from a packet that I sent you in the mail. Today, you are going to open a packet that is in the Google Classroom, and you can either read along with the poems that are on your screen, and you can follow along with your cursor like I like you to do, or you can have your grown-up print those poems, and then you can have a packet just like this one. Mine is a weird color because I was starting to run out of ink. So either way is fine with me. And then there's another file that you can open that is an audio recording. So you can just hear it of me reading the poems. And so what I want you to do is listen to me reading while you follow along, either in the packet that you printed or on the screen. So you can have the noise of my voice while you're looking at the poems on the screen. So either way is fine with me. But I've been missing reading our poems together in class because remember, we used to read a poem every day. And we worked on our reading fluency, reading just the right speed, and knowing all the words so we didn't have to slow down. And we also worked on building vocabulary, learning new words, because sometimes poets use words that we don't use every day, and then it gives us a chance to talk about them. The other thing that we worked on was making a mental image. Once we could read our poem smoothly and reading at a good speed and we knew what all the words meant, we could start making an image in our mind of what that poet was trying to tell us about. And then remember, at the end of the week, we draw a picture to go along with it. So there are a lot of poems in this packet, and what you're going to do is the first time through, you can listen while you follow with your cursor or with your finger. And then I want you to read out loud. You can read with a quiet voice the next time through, and you can read with me, so you can put the recording on again, or you can read on your own. It's up to you. But remember, that fluency means you're reading with a beat. You're not just rushing through it, taking that time to make that mental picture. Think about what the words mean. And I want you to read this poem packet 2 times every day until you get a new one. So there are some good surprises in here. I think you'll like it. And I can't wait to talk with you about some of these poems at our either class meeting or small groups. We'll have to see how much time we have on Thursday or Friday. As you're reading through the poems, circle words or phrases you don't know what they mean, and bring your packet with you. Or if you're working from your screen, you can write them down really quick, and then we can talk about it when we get together on Thursday and Friday. So I hope you enjoy this, and this is a jumping off point for hopefully you being able to write a couple poems of your own before the end of the school year. I'm going to be so excited to hear those. So hope all is well. Remember, read through it twice every day at least. It counts as some of your reading time. And enjoy. See you soon. Bye.